Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. This is Shobtik, and in between October I was reading an article about food. Then suddenly I came to know that today, that is the 16th of October, today is called the International Food Day or World Food Day. I had no clue about that, but thanks to the article I came to know about it. But then again I thought, me being a foodie, I call myself a foodie because I love to eat different kinds of food. So, and being an Indian, I love spicy food. That way, I thought let's make a combination of drawing some food. Firstly, what came into my mind is samosa. If you don't know that, that's a triangular shaped food made of flour and potato inside. Mostly, you can search about samosa. That's samosa. So you can search about that, and but then I thought, what is the universal food? If something that everyone is obsessed about or people are talking about, I thought of burger, because we all around the world are talking so much about fast food and their problems, the issues they cause, the number of people who are getting obese because of burgers and all the different kinds of fast foods. Even in India, we have this similar kind of two types of people: one having fast foods from different joints, and people who eat or like to eat food from local vendors. So definitely I support eating from local vendors, but still we are somehow obsessed. I don't know, maybe because of the Western influence so much, we are obsessed about burgers. So that is the reason I chose to sketch burger. I don't know why this is the first time I'm actually drawing majorly a food. Maybe in some other drawings I have sketched someone holding a food or something, but not particularly one food item. So again, thanks to the World Food Day, that is today, I have thought of drawing it, and I was quite happy with what the drawing looked like. The use of colors that I did were simply from a photograph. There was an idea of a burger, and then I made it like this. So I tried to make it like an illustration. That is why I started with fine liners after making the base sketch with the pencil. And once the fine liner work was done, I used my watercolor pencils. That is, these pencils are soluble in water. Actually, not the pencils, but the colors. So that helps me making this kind of illustration where it gives a watercolor feel too. I used my watercolor brushes, that contains water inside it, so you don't need to take an extra cup of water for this. All you need is a cloth or your own dress, whatever you're wearing. That's what the artists do. We do not like to keep ourselves clean, and that's it. That's the simple thing that you need for this kind of a sketch. Similar sketches you can see over in my Instagram. If you have not yet visited my Instagram account, everything is provided in the description. I have the Facebook page and Instagram ID links, so please go there and follow me. That will encourage me, as I always say. I have been getting too much encouragement from you guys. Thanks to you all. Hopefully I will be able to bring much better content as we go towards the future. So that's it from me in this video, and see you again in the next Inktober one that will be coming today. Today's again I'm doing another prompt, so if you have not checked out the Inktober drawings, then you need to please go and watch all of them. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.